mean that. Honestly, you don't get your 30 quid back. It's like I'm driving a car.
Where are we going?
I don't know, babe. You're not helping me.
Left.
I am driving left.
I'll go harder then.
Oh no.
Watch
Oh
your
no.
back.
Mum. Move.
Go left. You're going to hit the tree with a baby on it.
Oh, look at that baby. Look at the baby.
Well, babe, you're going to headbutt it.
Yeah, but he's coming to me. Fuck off. You know my crisps.
Driving them boats long, have you? Alright, got to head back now.
No, we're still at 15 minutes.
Oh, 10 on mine. Next we got just. Oh, my leg's killing. But you might.
No.
We ain't getting in the car straight away then.
No, that's a
I'm
great.
gonna have to walk it off because my knee's gone jib out. Oh, mate. Oh, in the bush. You're in the bush. You're in the bush.
Keep to the right. Keep to the right.
Yeah, not that right. Oh, what do we do with a drunken sailor?
Oh, I'm not even drunk.
Not yet. Look, it's my finger.
Hello.
There's overhanging trees. Hazard. You got the hang of it now?
Uh-huh.
Oh, good. Doing a wonderful job, babe.
I know. I've been driving for like 30 years.
Yeah, this is a boat.
No. 25 years.
And
now.
it's electric.
Shut up. I'm doing a 180.
360.
Oh,
What?
shut up, you.
Huh?
360. Just because I can.
Yeah, because I can.